The Yes Day Disaster. One bright morning, Jamie, a 16-year-old filled with curiosity, decided to try something new, to say yes to everything that came their way for one whole day. Jamie believed it would make life more exciting and bring a little adventure to the usual routine. With this goal, Jamie set off, ready for whatever the world had to offer. The first challenge came almost immediately. A neighbor asked Jamie to help clean their garage, which was messy and dusty. Jamie agreed, thinking it wouldn't take too long. But hours passed as Jamie sorted boxes, moved heavy furniture, and found themselves tired and sore. Yet, sticking to the plan, Jamie kept saying yes to the tasks the neighbor kept adding on, hoping the next one would be more interesting. Just as Jamie finished with the neighbor, a friend invited them to try skateboarding on the steepest hill in town. Jamie, who had never skateboarded before, felt nervous but said yes. Wobbling on the board, Jamie took a shaky ride down the hill. A few scrapes and a near fall later, Jamie's legs were bruised and sore. But despite the spills, Jamie forced a smile, convincing themselves this was part of the adventure. At lunchtime, Jamie was asked to try a super spicy food challenge at a local restaurant. Always one to stick with mild flavors, Jamie hesitated but remembered the vow and said yes. The first bite was fiery, the second was unbearable. By the third, Jamie was gulping water, their face turning red. Yet, they kept eating, trying not to show discomfort. Jamie felt relief only when it was over, but their stomach felt as if it was on fire. After lunch, a group of older teens invited Jamie to join them in some risky parkour moves. Without considering the danger, Jamie went along, leaping from benches and walls. Soon, though, it became clear that Jamie lacked the skill for this sport. One misstep, and Jamie landed awkwardly, spraining an ankle. Now limping, Jamie began to feel the weight of all these impulsive choices piling up. As the day wore on, Jamie started to realize how exhausting it was to always say yes. Each new request and challenge took up energy and brought discomfort. But when someone asked Jamie to join them in skipping their volunteer shift, something felt wrong. Jamie felt a pull to say no, but the challenge they'd set for the day stopped them. Reluctantly, Jamie said yes, only to feel regret almost instantly. Finally, Jamie returned home, tired and aching. They reflected on the day, realizing that life could be adventurous without needing to agree to everything. The freedom to say no was just as important as the excitement of saying yes. Jamie understood now that setting boundaries was a form of self-respect. Sometimes, protecting their time, energy, and well-being could bring just as much peace and joy as any wild adventure. From that day forward, Jamie chose to balance their choices. They embraced the wisdom that sometimes, a firm no could keep life steady and meaningful. Thanks for watching Story Kindle. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories.